How to save lot of time with email templates in Outlook. Welcome to Grid Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, in the search bar, you want to search for Outlook. Then you want to click on the Outlook option. Once Outlook has been opened, you first want to sign into your account if you have not done that already. Now, to create a new email, you want to click on the option of New Email. It's going to open up this tab. When you send an email, you have to type all the paragraphs in the body. If you send similar types of emails all the time, then you can create a template to save your time. To create a template, you first have to click on the option of View Template at the top. Now on the right-hand side menu, you can find different default templates. You can use any one of them. If you want to create your own, you can do that as well. For example, I will create a template of what I have written over here. First step is to copy this and click on the plus template option below. Once you click on it, paste what you have copied in this box. Then add in a title. Now click on the save option. Whenever you have to compose a similar type of email, all you have to do is click on View Template, and then you simply want to click on the template that you have just created. Once you do that, it is automatically going to be pasted here. All you have to do now is add the recipients and type in a subject. Now click on the Send option. And in this way, you save a lot of time with email templates in Outlook. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.